In this video, I will show you how you can use picture-in-picture on YouTube on any iPhone without purchasing the premium version of the YouTube app. Now, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. Now, over here, you will find the option of picture-in-picture. Just tap on it and enable Start Picture-in-Picture automatically. After you do that, then go to your home screen and open the App Store. Now, in the search bar, just search this. Now, just install this app on your iPhone. Once this app is fully downloaded, then just go to your home screen and open YouTube. Now from here, just look for a video which you want to watch in picture-in-picture mode. For an example, I will select this video. Now just tap on the three dots beneath the video which you want to watch in picture-in-picture mode. Then tap on Share. Tap on More. Now from here, just select X-Player Picture-in-Picture. Now after you do that, you will be able to play YouTube videos in picture-in-picture mode. Just like that. And this is how you can use picture-in-picture on YouTube on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.